Guess what arrived in the mail today? Shiny, shiny. So I went for this one. More expensive, but it is gorgeous. Aren't you a thing of beauty? So this is what you get in the kit. You get your silencer, your back box as it were, bracket, washers, that'll be your fitting kit, bolts, spacers, some sort of brass O-rings, that'll be for your O2 detector maybe, I don't know, clamp, and your header pipes, that'll be for your O2 sensor. So what I'm going to do is I'll go outside. All you need for this, I believe, is a socket set. It's a 10mm and an 8mm, and I believe you need a 3mm Allen key. Okay. I'll start by taking this off without scratching it, hopefully. I've just noticed that my bike was in for a service this morning, and it looks like it's come back with a scratch in the tank. I don't know if you can see that there. Look at that. Scratched down and up there. Wonderful, eh? Not a blemish on the thing until you take it into Kawasaki. We had a phone call about that anyway. Take off these bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And next we take off this 10mm nut and this 10mm nut. Next we take off this 10mm nut, this 10mm nut, and that will take the whole cover away. Pop off like so. You have it. Word of warning: when you're taking off those 10mm nuts, they have washers. Don't forget about them. Next, we're going to disconnect the O2 sensor. So you can see this cable that runs up here. Disconnect that so we don't pull it accidentally, and we'll remove that with the exhaust and take it off when the exhaust is off. It's much easier that way. I disconnected the O2 sensor. You basically just need a flathead screwdriver. You can stick it up there, you'll get your finger in behind, and there's a wee clip. Once you release that, that section of the O2 will come off. What we need to do now is take this bolt off. That allows the O2 sensor to release with the exhaust. We don't want to tear that off because we need it for a new exhaust, okay? Okay, now the O2 sensor's been released, so I can go freely with the exhaust underneath there. What we're going to do is, I don't know if I can show you these, and at the front there's the header bolts. What I'm going to do is they are 12mm bolts. You need an extended reach bit for this. That's not long enough. You need one of these bad boys to get yourself to the front and up and in behind there. Now there's 4 of them, 2 in each header. We'll release them and hopefully the exhaust shouldn't drop, because we've still got this 14mm to take off here. Now I've released these nuts from the header. I don't know if you can see that. Careful what you do and don't drop them like I've just done. I'm going to need to go down there and fish for it. Next thing is to take off this 14. The whole exhaust should release after that. Just be careful when you're dropping the exhaust. Obviously your fingers first and foremost, but make sure you don't snag this, because you tear that off, it's a new O2 sensor, and I dread to think how much that's going to be from Kawasaki. Oh. And we are away. This is what you're left with. Now you need to take that O2 sensor off. So I need to get a spanner or a pair of grips for that. I'll get that winched off. Shouldn't be too bad, since it's only 2019. I haven't even done 500 miles. Look how dirty it is. Hang on. O2 sensor coming off. 17mm spanner that took. Snipped off, no bother. That's it. Just be careful this end. Don't clean it with anything. As fine as they are. If you put a WD-40, any kind of lubricant in that, it's going to stop it from working properly and you'll get fault codes. What we're going to do is get the header on first. It's just easier to do that, and then you slide the back box on, clamp on. You try and put that in, then you have to try and get your header, and you have to try and get your clamp on at the same time. It's a bit awkward. Get that finger tightened. Right, we'll just put on the other two, tighten them up, and then we'll move on to the back box. Now I've got my header pipe on. As you can see, it's just a finger, well, it's not finger tight, it's tightened up a bit. You don't want to ram it right home, you want a bit of wiggle on this so we can get a back box on. You have to get this O2 sensor in before you get everything connected up. And you should have done this when it was off the bike. I was being a donut and never did that. So we'll get this on, get this plugged back in so we don't forget. Get a small bracket back on here, get this in, and then we'll move on to the back box. Bracket needs to go in there, top of the bracket, then bolts on here. Oh, beautiful. System bolt back in. Now what you need to do is put in the new bolt they give you. The old bolt used to screw into itself in the back of the back box. Well, this one needs to go on with a nut. It's not going anywhere. Get this clamp on. Sure, nice and in there. We are. I am paranoid about getting scratching any of this black coat and stuff. That's not going anywhere. Right, all do, go ahead and tighten up the header bolts, put all this gubbins back together, and we'll give it a sound test. Right, here we go. First time starting up the Delkevic slash cut ceramic. Just hoping I've not forgotten anything. It blows up.